Your DJI Osmo Pocket 3, 2, or 1 might be recording perfectly, but if the exposure and ISO aren't set right, your videos can come out too bright, too dark, or noisy. Many users don't know how to adjust these settings. In this guide, I'll show you how to change exposure and ISO settings for the best results. Let's fix it right now. First, turn on your camera, then make sure you're in video mode, not photo or slow-mo. Next, swipe left to open the camera settings menu. In the top right corner, tap the icon that says Pro. The icon will turn yellow when activated. Now tap Exposure option. Look below. You will get two options like M and Auto. M stands for manual and Auto stands for automatic. Let's see the manual option. Now look at the left side of the screen. You will see the yellow colored numbers. These are shutter speed. If you set your frame 24 FPS, then shutter speed is 1/50th is the best. Just scroll up and down to adjust the shutter speed. And if you're set 30 FPS, then select 160 shutter speed, 1/60 shutter speed, and 60 FPS for 1/120 shutter speed. Now if you look at the right side of the screen, then you will get ISO options. Set base ISO 100 to 400 in daylight. Raise only when needed in low light. Or use auto ISO if you prefer. Then tap confirm. And that's it for now. This is how you can change exposure and ISO settings on your DJI Osmo Pocket 3, 2, or 1. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Until then, stay tuned and take care.